In this video, I'll guide you through how to send money from Chime to Bank of America. Whether you're new to using these platforms or just need a refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process straightforward and hassle-free. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device. Make sure you've logged in with your correct credentials to access your account. The Chime app is user-friendly, and you'll find that it's quite intuitive once you're inside. Now, from the home screen, you'll want to navigate to the Move Money section. This section is essentially your hub for all things related to transfers and transactions within Chime. Here, you can manage your funds and ensure they get to the right place. Before proceeding, it's crucial to confirm that your Bank of America account is already linked to your Chime account. Having your accounts linked means that transferring money will be smooth and efficient. If it's not linked yet, you'll need to go through the process of linking it by following the app's instructions, which typically involves verifying your Bank of America account details. Once your accounts are linked, you'll need to select your Chime account as the sender. This is the account where the funds will come from. Next, choose your Bank of America account as the receiver. Essentially, you're telling Chime where to send your money. Now, it's time to decide how much you want to transfer. Enter the amount you wish to send. Be sure to double-check the amount to avoid any mistakes. After you've entered the correct amount, tap Transfer to initiate the process. The app will prompt you to confirm the transaction. This is your chance to review all the details and ensure everything is as it should be before the transfer goes through. And that's it. You've successfully sent money from your Chime account to your Bank of America account. It's as simple as following these steps, and you'll find that with practice, it becomes even easier. Remember, transferring money between accounts is a powerful tool for managing your finances efficiently. By mastering how to move your funds seamlessly, you can stay organized and on top of your financial game. If you run into any issues or need further assistance, both Chime and Bank of America have customer service teams ready to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clear and easy for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Have a great day and happy banking.